I took a few pictures. Just relaxing.
That was video. And it's still recording.
Berry Gordy's family had come to Michigan from Georgia in 1922 as part of what's known as the Great Migration. In the years between 1910 and 1930, more than 1 million African
Watch this. Watch this. This is my personal favorite.
Which saw a 20% increase in its black population.
He gets more upset when you try to remove it.
Those same opportunities people are the largest ethnic group in the state, with many around the town of Hamtramck near Detroit.
Look at this, Sean.
Multi-ethnic population.
The Detroit area has the largest concentration anywhere in the United States. It includes people from virtually every country.
He looks around.
To Lebanon, to Syria, to Iraq.
I think part of it is the fact that it's partially see-through.
Lumber industry. The vast expanse of old-growth white pines on the peninsula endless prosperity to loggers and timber barons alike.